Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Webflow forms to send to HubSpot step by step clearly. Open your Webflow project. Locate the form you want to connect to HubSpot. Select the form element from the designer. In the settings panel on the right, find the form settings section. Set the form action URL for HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account in a separate tab. Navigate to forms from the main dashboard. Create a new form or choose an existing one. In the form settings, copy the form submission URL. Paste the HubSpot URL into the form action field in Webflow. Set the request type to post. Define the hidden fields that HubSpot requires. Look for the field IDs in HubSpot for each field you want to map. Go back to Webflow and ensure your form fields have unique names. Match each Webflow form field to its corresponding HubSpot ID. Add any required HubSpot fields as hidden inputs in your Webflow form. Test the form by submitting a sample entry. Check your HubSpot dashboard to see if the submission appears. Debug any issues if the submission does not appear in HubSpot. Ensure data mapping is correct for seamless integration. Finalize and publish your changes in Webflow. Monitor the form submissions in HubSpot regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.